wanted to test out our new Osmo. Gonna walk around this big old turbine here that they have on display. We are at the Bagnell Dam Overlook, scenic overlook. Can't see too much from here. That's the dam. Drive across. And then down there. So they let water out on this side or the other side? This side? Yeah, this side.
The river side.
Is it out? Are they letting water out now, or is it just bubbling around?
Yeah, they're letting it through the turbines. They don't have the floodgates open, but they just
okay.
flow underneath.
Turbines. That's funny. Speaking of turbines, there's another one over here. That's all in there if you want to pause and read that. Nice little seating area here. There's some interesting facts about the Bagnell Dam. And some interesting facts about the turbine.
Weighs 50 tons.
Well, I mean, it is pretty big. Gonna drive up through the strip here. This is, I was gonna say where all the action happens, but to me it don't seem like it's that exciting anymore. But we've been here more than a few times over the years. Well, you can sure tell it's a weekend and things are open back up, because It is busy.
Seen it worse.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really a mess when they have a car show down here. Because they let the old cars and stuff that are in the show park in the middle in the turning lane. So that really makes a big mess. Sky Trail, that's new. New-ish anyway.
Best place down there.
Oh. The VW. They used to have an old bus there. VW bus. I guess they like to swap them out every once in a while or something. And that's pretty much the end of it.